I know tofu can be boring, and that's why I'm making this video. So, if it's boring, like any other food, just jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to show you a great way to make tofu taste really good. First thing you do is you open the, this is fresh tofu. You open the container, there's some fluid in there. So you gotta drain it out. And then what you do is you cut a slab. There's your slab of tofu. And what I do is I spice it up with sriracha. Any brand will work, but I like this Tabasco brand. Then you cut off a chunk. And enjoy. Thanks for watching.